Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open TikTok and find a video you want to duet with. You can search for specific creators or browse your For You page to discover trending content that catches your interest. Once you spot a video that inspires you, tap on it to open the full view. Step 2. Look for the Share button, which is the arrow icon on the right side of the screen. Tap it to reveal a menu of options including the Duet feature. This is where you'll unlock the ability to create your own response video. Step 3. Select the Duet option from the menu that appears. This will split your screen so you can see the original video on one side while you record your response on the other side. Step 4. Position yourself in frame and tap the red record button to start filming your duet. You can record multiple takes until you're happy with your performance, so don't stress about getting it perfect on the first try. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with your recording, tap the checkmark to confirm. Then add captions, music, or effects if you want to make your duet more engaging and unique. You can also adjust privacy settings before posting to control who sees your content and enable comments.